NDSCS Pharmacy Technician graduates are serving patients with us here in the inpatient pharmacy. So we are distributing the medications, we are preparing the medications, we are compounding medications, all specifically to our physicians are ordering. Essentia Health and NDSCS have a strong partnership in preparing students ready for our workforces. And we often have those shadowing experiential training sites here. So students, part of their program, they have to do 120 hours of rotations. And so we are one of the offered sites so students can spend their 3 weeks working here full time.
Students are well equipped because they have the ability to have those real world, real work skills as adults. And then within their professional program, they have taken on how to navigate being in the workforce.
The pharmacy technician field is a great place to be in healthcare, but yet not in the blood and guts what we talk about, but we are directly in that patient care area. And NDSCS is a great place to initiate the learning of the skills that it takes to be successful.
I think NDSCS is a really great opportunity for any student within how you can tie your career regionally and nationally as a pharmacy tech. The world really is whatever you want it to be as a pharmacy tech from NDSCS.